As you are busy manifesting your highest 2022 dreams or even thinking about what your New Year resolutions should be, I want to encourage you to dream bigger. Bigger than what's allowed, bigger than what you think you can handle, bigger than your fears. Because think about it. What can a year do? What can happen in just 12 months? Well, I would say a lot. And I know that words never suffice. So let me walk you through what happened in 2021. For those of you who don't know me, I am Madhuri Verma, a content creator and digital educator for everything related to academics, career, and self-development. For me, this community of supporters across YouTube and Instagram had just started taking shape at the beginning of 2021. And now we are more than 10,000 strong across various platforms. But this didn't happen overnight and certainly not easily. 2021 for me began with a change in cities, states, and most importantly, time zones. The one-on-one consultations that I had started offering at the end of 2020 were taking off, and since I am in California and majority of you are in India, the time difference for me was becoming almost unmanageable, which meant less sleep. My energy levels went down and the autoimmune condition that I have just kept getting worse each day. All of this took a toll on my mental energy and I actually did not have the stamina to create YouTube videos. For those of you who have been following me since the initial days of 2020, you must have noticed a drop in the frequency of my videos right from the beginning of 2021. It took me almost 5 months to actually feel better about myself. What helped in that duration was the constant support and reinforcement of my family and casual chats with my friend and mentor. But what helped the most were your comments on my videos, your emails of gratitude, and your messages on Instagram and LinkedIn sharing your wins. When I saw you all benefiting from my videos, one-on-one consultations, personal tutoring, and scoring high on your exams, getting your dream jobs, or even feeling more confident in general, I felt so happy. It was your love, your support, and your admiration for my work that actually gave me the strength to get back on track. And I cannot thank you enough for that. If you could relate to what I just said and you're feeling low on energy in general, I want to say, hang in there. Things are about to get so much better because that's exactly what happened with me. It was, I think, around July 2021 when one day I was glancing over my goals that I had set out to achieve for 2021, and one of the goals that stood out for me was launching courses. Now, half of the year had already gone and I was almost on the verge of actually pushing that goal to 2022. But call it destiny or the universe conspiring in my favor, I stumbled upon the application for GraphiSelect that very night on an Instagram ad, and before I knew it, I had launched 5 courses in a span of just 1 week. That's right, 5 courses ranging from exam prep to career success to personal development, and the enthusiasm with which all of you guys signed up for my courses and masterclasses was just unbelievable. Even thinking about it is giving me goosebumps. Within 2 weeks, I learned that I had been selected for the GraphiSelect program amidst 10,000 plus applications, where 50 content creators were formed in a first cohort of GraphiSelect. And the second half of 2021 then went by so busily, it almost made up for the slack that I had until May or June. I was selected as one of the mentees for Ankur Warikoo, and I had the privilege of going live with him on Instagram, discussing about my entire content creation journey. More than 800 of you sought one-on-one consultations from me. More than 500 of you signed up for my courses and masterclasses. More than 30 of you sought my mentoring for your MS, MBA, MIM, and MIS applications. And more than 1,000 of you actually ended up achieving your goals for which you had sought my guidance in the first place. You have no idea how proud and grateful this makes me feel. So as this crazy year comes to a close, I want to take credit for cultivating a community of thousands of students and professionals who are committed to leveling up their education and their knowledge and are breaking barriers at work and in life. Credit for helping you step into your power, believe in your dreams, and achieve your goals. And I'm excited to do it even better next year. Just follow me on Instagram or join my community of learners, free of cost of course, to receive latest updates as and when these events get scheduled. The direct links are mentioned in the description box. And now for the fun part. Since you all made this year such a joyful ride, I'm giving away prizes worth 10,000 Indian rupees. The giveaway starts today, that is December 26th, Sunday, and will end on Friday, 7th of January. So you have almost 2 weeks to participate. You need to complete 3 steps to enter this giveaway. For the first step, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. And in the comments section of this video, comment one word that describes your feeling for this channel or for this video. I have pasted a sample comment in the comments section. You can follow the same format. The second step is to join my community of learners. The link is available in the description box. The third step is actually mentioned in my Instagram account. So you can visit my page via the link mentioned in the description box and check out the latest post to complete your participation. How will these 10,000 rupees be awarded to you? That's also mentioned in my Instagram post. So go and check it out. It has been an absolute honor to support you this year, be it through bi-monthly workshops, one-on-one consultations, hours of live coaching, and by cultivating this community, which to me is the coolest part of it all, because it is that safe space where we all come together, cheer each other on, and be that person who goes after what they dream for. So all that is left to say from my end is thank you for being the magic that this community is made up of, for trusting in my videos, for relying on my content, for growing alongside me via workshops, for sharing your wins, and for believing that we can all have it all. I hope to continue to be a part of your journey, just as I have been till now. Cheers to much more that is coming your way in 2022. Thank you for watching.